Welcome back, y'all. It's Lauren Diva V and the place to be. Think y'all a little bit crooked. So today we are going to be planting some kohlrabi. So I have my seeds right here. I have my area right here. I have that bird that's interrupting my video, but the show must go on. So these are the seeds, and I just happen to have, oh, they're tiny. Okay, so I'm just going to broadcast them in this area right here. And there you have it. So I had about 10 seeds left in there. And this is the kohlrabi, the early white Vienna. And then we're just gonna take and cover that over lightly with the soil. We just had a good rain. I'm not gonna press down too hard. And that is it for the kohlrabi, the early white Vienna kohlrabi. I haven't had success with planting kohlrabi as of yet. We're not counting anything out. So this year we're gonna have success planting for this fall garden. I'm speaking it into existence. All right, y'all, thank y'all for watching. That's it for this video. Like, subscribe, comment, share me with your family and your friends. And until I see you guys in the next video, peace.